Hello and welcome. It is the 14th of March 2018 because I see something very fascinating on the weekly, or not on the weekly chart, but on the Litecoin chart against Bitcoin. I have to show it. Weekly, I'm going to go weekly, just keep on going back. Daily chart, just hanging in there through time. I mean, you don't see anything too interesting. Volume is okay. It could get really big, but we'll see. If the price goes down, it definitely will. Well, I can't say definitely, but it's highly favored. This is an interesting period, but I'm not really referring to this. As when we look at this, I mean, what went on here? This was not just Poloniex. This was uh, a lot. This was going on big, and someone's buying big. I know that for sure. I'm going to show you, but we can see in the 15-minute, nice up move, down move, just correcting sideways. And if you're looking at the right-hand side of the chart, trying to figure that out, well, I'm going to give you the answer to what's going on. This is the 5-minute. Prices cannot go. It's like a wall there. Like the prices just can't go below 1442502. It's just not doing that. 1 minute term time frame. I mean, sometimes. I mean, this is almost. This just doesn't look like a real market. Pretty good volume in here. But what I am about to show you is phenomenal. You should already know what it is. Because A, you already know, you've seen it. Or B, you can tell by looking at the chart what it is. Now, how big they're buying? Oh, it's big. For this is the live order book on Poloniex, the exchange in which I've been that I've been showing on the chart. Sell orders 85 Litecoin here. I gotta only presume because if we look at the spread differentials of the two, this is 1 point. That this person's just trying to reduce their rate. That's the only thing that makes sense because if you want to sell 80 Litecoin, this person wants to buy 10,564 more. 152 Bitcoin. Let's bring the calculator up. At 38.50 and at the price point, he's buying at basically $55.54. But at 3,850 Bitcoin, and we multiply that by 152 Bitcoin worth, that's not what I wanted to do. 38.50. Yeah, I suppose it would be. I thought it was a bigger number than that. 152 Bitcoins only with 15 would be. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. So not as big as I thought. Still pretty big at, I guess I carried the 10 number wrong when I first did the calculation. Still, that's a big order. And during the time frames that I've shown, that this has been going on for some time. So this person, I would think of one of two things may have been involved in that big buy, the big move that happened before. But most certainly, during several periods of time, ended up buying at many different intervals. For if we look at volume just in here, 1,300, 1,280, so that's 2,500, 3,500 Litecoin there. Most likely, a vast majority of those went to that one buy order, which is why this technically should be red candles, because it was sell action that would force the price. Now, what will be a very interesting situation is what happens with the real price of Litecoin. Now, there has to be an arbitrage there. If there's a 1 Satoshi difference, we got 14425, not KTC. $14402. So technically, one of the plays, it really doesn't matter what exchange outside of Poloniex you do this one on, is you have buy orders down below here. And then when they fill, you would sell on the other side at that little marginal price. And on the other side, well, you'd have to have a higher price than that. And this one's up here at 144 or 1442. This is 1440. I mean, this is how tight and small this is trading at right now. But it won't take long, especially now that it's only a half a million. I don't know why I made that mistake before. I'm thinking, oh my goodness, uh, that's like $6 million. And you know what? In time, if the price goes up to 550, I guess it will be, and I think it will. But I do find this very interesting as far as a lot of this technical analysis is concerned. It has had a phenomenal run, and I don't know what happened here. I mean, to have buy orders in on this. This thing went down like 10 times. And there's a message on Binance saying, oh, you're going to sell for more than market value. Are you sure you want to do this? And, well, somebody did. Well, thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye bye.